GCash versus Maribank versus GoTime. Alin sa tatlong cards na to ang pinaka-the best gamitin abroad? Specifically, Japan. Guys, kakagaling na namin Japan, and for the benefit of this content and the contents that I'm usually showing to you, we withdraw 26,000 yen in each of this card to see kung sino nga ba ang may pinakamagandang conversion, walang fee, and you can also use over-the-counter with cashbacks. Dito kami nag-withdraw sa Japan Post Bank, marami yan all over Japan. But since kailangan na namin ng yen upon arrival and hindi na hassle maghanap pa ng other ATM, nag-withdraw na kami sa airport. Paglabas mo sa exit, makikita mo agad lahat ng mga ATMs dyan. You just have to look for the green one, the Japan Post Bank. Now let's withdraw 26,000 yen using these three cards. At first, we tried Maribank. For 26,000 yen withdrawal, ang nabawa sa account ko in peso is 9,913.36 pesos. So if you are going to use this card, the CBank or the Maribank card at 26,000 yen, meron silang 220 yen withdrawal fee. Now, the most important part is show yan ni ATM ang conversion kung magkano ang 1 JPY into PHP. So, if mag-withdraw ka ng 26,000 yen plus 220 yen withdrawal fee, ang ibabawa sa'yo in peso is 10,706.67 pesos. But in JPY, that's 26,220. Always make sure to choose the JPY. Not just here, but also if you pay over the counter, don't use PHP kasi may mga conversion fee yan. JPY has no dynamic conversion fee. If you choose the yen, not the PHP, ito lang ang mababawa sa'yo. 9,913.36 pesos kasama na yung withdrawal fee. Meaning, 1 JPY is only equal to 0.379 pesos. Pero kanina sa screen, if you are going to choose PHP, you are going to pay for 10,706.67 pesos. Luging-lugi ka. Next, for GCash naman, automatically, it will choose the no conversion fee. So, your 26,000 yen will be 9,904.06 pesos only. Plus, wala siyang withdrawal fee, unlike kay CBank kanina. So, the direct conversion using GCash, 1 Japan yen is equals to 0.3809 pesos. And lastly, at 26,000 yen withdrawal kay GoTime, ang mababawa sa'yo is 10,003.11 pesos. Wala siyang fee, naka-state here, but sa ATM, may 220 yen siyang withdrawal. Same with Maribank or CBank. So, comparing these three cards, this is their conversion. Sobrang lapit with the Google conversion rate compared to money exchange rates. So let's say you're going to withdraw the maximum 50,000 yen withdrawal. Kay Maribank, ito ang makukuha mo, kay GCash, and kay GoTime. Mas mataas si GoTime because they have a 1% forex fees. So usually, ito si GoTime, dinadala ko lang to for backup if hindi talaga accepted ang dalawang cards na to. If magpapa-money exchange ka, malulugi ka ng almost 2,000 pesos in every 50,000 yen withdrawal using these cards. Now, let's rank them. Alin sa tatlo ang favorite ko? Of course, pinaka-the best gamitin, si CBank. Pangalawa na dyan, si GCash. And we have the number 3 with 1% forex fee, the backup, GoTime. Additional perks why I love using the Maribank or the CBank because currently they have up to 3% cashback if you pay in store kahit nasa abroad ka or nandito sa Philippines. For example, ito ha, I bought 20,000 worth of items sa Janpara with the exchange rate of 1 JPY is equals to 0.37 yen. So, ang transaction amount natin is exactly the 20,198.86 pesos with zero or free foreign currency transaction fee. And sa 20,000 na yan, may 3% cashback pa. Basically, we earned an additional 605.97 pesos sa cashback lang yan. So, di ba nakatipid ka na, mura ang yen, may 10% tax refund pa, tapos may cashback ka pa, binigay ni CBank, Diyos ko, ano na. So, therefore, whenever you go abroad, just have this card, especially this one, and also, you can open an account via link in bio and also use this referral code for you to get an additional 175 pesos reward. And don't forget, like, follow if you like contents like this, and share it with your friends going to Japan soon.